Security monitoring is not about installing a few cameras. It is a coordinated security system built around people, spaces, events, workloads, and the full chain of evidence. By linking video surveillance, intrusion alarms, access control, and screening systems, it creates a working loop. Detect anomalies, identify risk, control access, trigger response, preserve records, and support review. Fixed dome cameras provide stable indoor coverage for offices, corridors, elevator halls, and lobbies. Their job is simple but essential: consistent visibility and reliable evidence capture. Bullet cameras secure boundaries, corridors, and entry points with focused long-range views. PTZ speed dome cameras add mobility, allowing wide area patrol, target tracking, and closer event inspection. Thermal and multispectral cameras improve detection in darkness and harsh outdoor conditions. ANPR and vehicle capture cameras support entry control by recording vehicles, identifying plates, and providing a clear basis for release decisions. Edge AI cameras move part of the analysis to the front end. They help reduce background pressure, improve alarm relevance, and respond faster in areas where false alarms are costly. Network video recorders are the core devices for video intake, storage, and playback. In small and medium projects, they carry the essential task of preserving evidence and making footage easy to retrieve. Central video storage supports large-scale, long-residential recording, while the video management platform unifies devices, footage, permits, and event linkage across sites and teams. Analytics servers handle demanding video analysis at scale. Decoding and video wall control bring key feeds to the command center, while operator workstations turn information into review, decision, and action. Intrusion sensors turn scattered risk points into active awareness. Infrared detectors, door contacts, vibration use sensors, glass break units, and panic buttons provide the first layer of alarm detection. Perimeter intrusion systems provide early warning before a boundary is crossed. Alarm control panels organize zones and responses, while audible and visual devices turn a detected event into immediate on-site intervention. Access readers and credentials are the front line of controlled entry. Cards, biometrics, and code-based identification define who can enter, when they can enter, and where they are allowed to go. Access controllers and electric locks turn authorization into real door actions. Turnstiles and pedestrian passage systems extend that logic into organized, high-frequency movement with safety, order, and traceability. Vehicle barrier systems keep traffic organized and reduce the risk of unauthorized release. Visitor management systems turn temporary access from manual approval into a traceable and audible workflow. Walk-through metal detection systems provide fast primary screening at high-traffic entrances. Their role is to intercept prohibited metal items without breaking the overall flow of people. X-ray baggage screening checks bags and parcels without opening them, while handheld inspection devices support secondary checks. Together, they improve detection accuracy and keep the screening process complete. Security networks and industrial communication devices carry the system in silence. They keep video streams, control commands, and alarm signals moving with the reliability the project depends on. Power supply, backup, and electrical protection are what keep security systems alive when conditions are unstable. They reduce the risk of time caused by outages, surges, and inconsistent power quality. Racks, cabinets, field enclosures, cabling, connectors, and deployment accessories may look secondary, but they strongly influence reliability, fault rates, maintenance order, and long-term operating cost. In commercial buildings, the priority is orderly access, visitor control, and clear event tracing. In factories and industrial parks, the focus shifts to perimeter warning, outdoor reliability, and continuous operation. In warehouses and logistics sites, visibility at loading zones and controlled vehicle entry become critical. On campuses, systems must handle peak periods, visitor control, and rapid response. In medical facilities, round-the-clock monitoring and controlled access to sensitive areas are essential. In retail and shopping malls, the system supports public safety, loss control, and consistent multi-site operation. In data centers and critical rooms, strict identity control, video review, and complete audit trails are non-negotiable. In remote utility sites, resiliency, backup power, and low-maintenance operation matter most. In transportation hubs, screening speed and coordinated response are the priority. Government and public institutions need stronger screening, deeper access hierarchy, and complete accountability. Construction sites need fast deployment and durable temporary protection. Large events depend on rapid screening, flexible equipment dispatch, and reliable temporary coordination. The success of a security monitoring project is rarely decided by a single device specification. It depends on architecture, equipment matching, network and power stability, linkage strategy, environmental fit, maintenance readiness, and room to expand over time.